Say minimum, say maximum. This is like this. Min equal to 0, max equal to 10 would restrict 0 to 10. If user tries to enter 50, it won't accept. It will automatically give something like a checkbox where you can run the numbers up and down. Input type equal to number. We proceed fast with this. We are going to go out by designing a game today. Canvas game. Yeah, input type number. No pattern. Numbers don't have pattern. Say min, max if you want. You want fractions? Specify minimum maximum values as points. 0.1 to 10.0. Something like that. Got it? How many of you are using equivalent in this so far? This is going to be the last one. Simple feature. Is that quite simple, right? So while designing these HTML5 features, they also kept mobile users in mind. Check out these screens. These are from Apple. So first one is probably input type equal to email. Check out the keypad layout there. The space is supposed to be this long, but at the symbol appeared here. So the keyboard, iOS is modified the keyboard. If you say input type equal to email, the keyboard will be displayed such that the email address. Say input type equal to number, only numbers are displayed. Because anyways, you are not going to enter characters. Say input type equal to URL. There is something called URL also. So this .com is displayed extra. Slash is displayed extra. Space is not there. Why? There are no spaces in URL. So this has made mobile version of HTML5, we can say. Right? So HTML5 mobile users, mobile friendly also. Some other input types. These are few other input types added. Make a note, but don't write implement now. URL, range is something like slider. It comes like a volume bar. You can just slide it to select. No, just write URL, range, date and time. You don't need to write a script now for calendar. Automatically it is shown. It is not being supported by any browser so far, except Opera. I think so. Yeah. Opera is the first one to support. Input type equal to search. Search box, color picker. These last three are not being supported by most of the browsers. Right? I think they should implement any one of those, date or time or date time. Anyways, it's not being supported, you can't see how it looks like. Got it? How do you limit the range of what? Input type range. Input type range, min max. Mozilla is giving, Mozilla won't give it. One is one side. One time is side is one side. Right? Only Opera is supporting calendar. If you want to see, you can see this laptop later. So input type is clear. Right? That's all. Not more easy than that. Enough, right? We don't need more easy than that. Audio and video. The most wanted features of HTML5. In fact, it is being used for the advertisement of HTML5. Why do we require audio video tags at all? Already video is being played in web pages. Why do we require at all? Video tags. What is so special about it? Flash plugins. So we can install what is that? Why do we require? Proprietary one. Virus. Internet is the first source of virus. Some alert comes up saying that you don't have so and so plugin you want to install, you click yes, but it is not really the alert of plugin. It is the alert of a virus. Who knows? So that's where third-party plugins are not really good. So that's why they thought of implementing it as a standard. Video was not standard before that. Why it was not standard? If I want my website to support only real video formats, I want the user to use real player plugin only. If you include Flash, they should have a Flash player only. If you include some other video, QuickTime video or something, they have to have QuickTime plugin. So now nothing like that. No third-party plugins. Users don't need to install anything. It is the browser's responsibility to display the video. Right? Presently, these three are in race video formats: MP4, WebM, and OGG. OGG is open. WebM, Google has made it open. MP4 is not open because it is Apple. Okay? These are the three. Apple is not accepting to make WebM as a standard, and Google is accepting anything as a standard. Remaining Microsoft, everybody have their own issues. Microsoft wants AVI format. It is Microsoft proprietary, right? AVI is invented by Microsoft. Before even somebody knew that videos can be played on a computer, Microsoft proved that yes, videos can be played on a computer. That's when AVI came out. So these three are mostly W3C is considering these three formats. One of these would become, hopefully very soon, one of these would become standard. Nothing is standard yet. Yeah, video is not standard. These are the three most common plugins that we see: QuickTime, Real Player, or Flash, which are going to introduce virus into your system. So now it's not like that. Video is implemented by the browser. Just you need to say something like this: video width equal to. Width height are not mandatory. You can remove it. Just say video. Give as many number of sources as you want. It will keep on tagging each one. Whenever there is a success, the remaining list is ignored. Suppose source 1, I got a video, all these three will fail. I mean, these are bypassed. Those are not failed. So you can specify multiple sources to check from. Suppose you are implementing now. You don't know which version of player your computer supports, it says like this. Right? If you are writing a page, you don't know what the user uses, Mozilla or Safari or something. So write something like this. It won't work unless you have something like MP4 or WebM video. If you have MP4, just try it out. Video tag. Yeah. You want to show? See that? ID is not mandatory, width is not mandatory, height is not mandatory. Anybody is having MP4 videos on your laptop? All of you, try. Preferably a specific folder where you save the HTML page. Preferably, because HTML5 has introduced a new concept called fake path. That means the entire path is not shown or seen. Say controls. Controls. Say controls, you get the controls. Controls from the tag. In the tag. Yeah, I'm just showing you. Within the video tag, controls. Controls, just controls. Yeah, no, in the video. Don't take this and give some. Anybody was able to play the video? Yes, all of you? Very good. Controls. Say controls. If you get the controls and the file is not being played, path is wrong. Or the file format is not exported. All the process, not standard. No format is standard. Opera might not be supported. Opera might have something like that. Don't support all the versions. That's the point. Opera and Mozilla might be supporting the WebAssembly format. I hope everybody got it. Now, just including the video tag doesn't matter. Now, let's see how to control it with JavaScript. Right? Let's design our own player. Play, pause, buttons, everything you have to add. Add a button to your below your video player. Input type equal to button.